To use the mobile desktop on your Motorola phone using Smart Connect feature, first of all we'll need to set up Smart Connect on both our smartphone and our PC. I've made a dedicated video on how to perform that setup. I will try to link it in the description so you can watch it. After that, when your PC and your phone is connected with Smart Connect, we can move to My PC, where we should be able to find the mobile desktop. Click on it, then click on Continue, select your view and window resolution. Okay, so we need to move back to our phone and accept the connection request like this. And now we need to move back to My PC, move through the introduction, and our mobile PC is set up. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.